Hey, what's up everyone? Eric here with Design Engineering, booth 301 here at the PRI Show this year. This year we were fortunate enough to have Simon Olson's drift car, nice Supra here. Got plenty of our product on it, starting with some of our fire sleeve on some radiator hoses, as well as the oil cooler. But yeah, you can see plenty of our line sleeving product on there, as well as our turbo blanket and some of our larger titanium sleeving on the downpipe as on the wastegate as well. Moving into the interior, Simon has actually used a couple of products. Being that he's in the car, one of the things you want to concentrate on is driver comfort, not only keeping heat controlled under the bay, keeping your engine running good, components nice and healthy, but the driver itself. So if you look inside the car, Simon actually has some of our floor and tunnel shield to help keep his feet cool, as well as this is his ice box for his cool shirt. Now he actually has our battery cell saver insulation around the cool shirt box to help keep that ice in there, keep him nice and cooler in the car. So yeah, very fortunate to be working with someone like Simon. A lot of great product on the car, great reputation in the drifting community. So again, great to work with him, great to be here at PRI, and I can't wait to see what the rest of the week brings. So another great thing about PRI is being able to show all of our new products that we brought to the racing community, car community. One of the things I'm really excited about this year is our new Adapta Shield product. Similar looking to like our floor and tunnel shield, formable shield with the dimpled aluminum, but the difference here is it's a much thinner aluminum, so it's much more formable. So this piece right here is actually one piece of the sheet cut and formed around. As you can see, it's very formable, very forgiving too. It can take a lot of abuse and come right back. So this is great. If you got lines, especially like brake lines or something that are a little too close to the header, simply wrap it around. Works very well. Pretty much any application. You don't want to apply this directly to a header, but anything that's around the header that you're wanting to protect that radiant heat from, super formable will go right over. Another great performance product this year that we are coming out with are our lockjaw ties, stainless steel locking ties that we offer. These actually have a nice little wave put into them. So the purpose of that is to hold the tension. So as you're tightening it down, previous generations didn't get as tight, might have slipped a little bit, but this pulls nice and tight, keeps the tension, so you're not gonna have that loose tie, having loose wrap or a hose, whatever you're using it on. We also have on the insulation side this year, our Mat Acoustic product. So this is taking our traditional Mat product that has been a great seller for us through the years, really helping keep rides cool and quiet through the years. Now this one here has the felt liner on it versus the aluminum constraining layer. So this is great for like trunks or any area where it's going to be the exposed layer. You want a little finished look. Say you have a drive and drag car that you wanted to do something headliner in it, but you don't want to add a lot of weight. Certain areas of this are going to help reduce the sound as well as a little bit of the heat. And then everything else is pretty much a vehicle-specific or application-specific new product this year. We get a lot of guys that have the RVs with the doghouses to get hot, either out camping, tow vehicles to and from the track. We actually put together a couple of our products together in an RV insulation kit for those doghouses. So you're going to have some damping material in there to help with the sound, as well as our Ultra Block product to help with the heat mitigation. And then as well some cool tape to seam everything up so you get a nice finished-looking product. Other than that, we have a couple Jeep transmission pan heat shields available for the JKs, the JLs, and the JTs. This will be a simple solution, peel and stick, applied directly to the transmission housing, so you're not overheating that transmission fluid as the line or the exhaust is going right below it. Last new product we're offering this year is going to be a little bit more on the power sports side, but we do have our seat shade available for motorcycles. Simple attaches with straps, a pretty universal product for the bigger bikes. This is going to help those seats stay nice and cool while you're enjoying yourself off the bike. But yeah, as far as this year, that's what we're going to offer, as well as our standard line of great products for heat and sound control. Anything you might need, hit us up at designengineering.com.